Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. Now, as you can see, today we are going to be doing our BirchBox for January 2020. We're going to talk about that in just a minute, but before we do, I want to remind you guys that we do have an active giveaway going on for the Tati Beauty Palette, so that will be linked down below if you would like to enter. Otherwise, welcome. My name is Nikki. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We always do fun unboxings and live streams and makeup hauls, and we do a lot of collabs and different things, and we just have a great time. So we'd love it if you would join us. And guys, as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. So BirchBox. BirchBox was a $10 a month beauty subscription until I believe June of last year, of 2019, and they went to 15, but if you are an existing member, it went to 13. And I was really impressed with the change, and I didn't mind the price increase to 13 because I was seeing much better brands like Sunday Riley, you know, and we got like a full, or not, well, you can't get like a mini, I guess, but we got a Luxie brush one month, and they went to where you now have the option to choose one of the samples and the rest will be curated based on your profile. They usually have three or four curated boxes every month, so you can actually see everything that you would be getting and pick that box. They also have it where you can swap your box for a full-size product that they will feature that month, or you can completely swap it out for just points to their shop. And the last couple of months, there have been some very good looking curated boxes. However, I'm a little bit confused because I am very good at keeping up with when it is time to choose. Like, you know, with Ipsy and BoxyCharm, we get to go in and pick an item. Same thing kind of with FabFitFun, you get to go in and you get to customize. I keep up and I know the dates. I'm on top of the dates and the times. And the last couple of months, because you can preview a week or so before what the boxes, the curated boxes or samples and stuff are gonna be, so you can kind of have your mind made up. And the last couple of months, I knew which one I wanted, and I would go in and like that, they're sold out. And I'm like, are they really sold out, or were they really maybe not an option to begin with? Because I just find it really hard to believe, like, because I would even have like for December, since that happened in November, I'm like, okay, well, I would like this curated box, but if that for some reason is sold out, then this one, both of them were sold out like that. So I don't know, maybe I'm just, you know, speculating. I've watched too many movies. But either way, I may or may not cancel BirchBox. It may be time to cancel. So that is one thing. If you don't mind, in the description or in the comments, let me know. Do you think I should keep BirchBox? Do you think I should let it go? Do you get BirchBox? How do you feel about it? Generally, like I said, since the change, I have really enjoyed it. It's been amazing. But the last couple months, the whole thing with the curated boxes being gone like that, and I'm talking about, they were good boxes, y'all. Like, they were good. It just kind of makes me like, was it too good to be true? Were they not really gonna have those boxes? I don't know. But anyway, I've rambled. Let's get into the actual unboxing for January 2020. I do think the box is cute. It is obviously blue and different blue and different blue and different blue and white. It says BirchBox, and it's actually kind of like a little drawer. All right. This says BirchBox tip number 23. It's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it. So change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin. Okay. And on the back, it goes over our products, and it does tell us full-size pricing for our products. And generally, you very rarely may receive a full-size product from BirchBox. Generally, it is going to be, you know, sample and deluxe size sample products. So We have our tissue paper. We peel it back. And this is what we see. So I will start with the item that I selected, the sample I chose, which is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. The full size of this is $32. It says this smoothing moisturizing primer melts into skin, leaving behind a brighter complexion and a glow that lasts all day. Apply as a last step of your skincare routine. And this is new to BirchBox. So there is that. All right, and then we have from Orbe. So I mean, see, they have really good brands, but it's just, I don't know. I'm starting to get really mixed feelings about BirchBox. This is their Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. Full size is $52. This multi-purpose cream works as both a leave-in conditioner and a styler to smooth and boost shine. Apply a nickel-sized amount to damp hair and then style. And I have no doubt this smells amazing because everything from Orbe smells amazing. And then we have a perfume sample. This is Clean Rain et de Parfum. Full size $72. This light and renewing scent smells like fresh spring showers in a bottle with notes of water lily, daffodil, and melon. So there's what the full size bottle would look like. It's kind of a small sample and it's not filled all the way. I'm just gonna spritz it one time, only because I'm not big on floral and I don't know if it's gonna be floral. But let's see. No, that is not floral. They hit, now hold on, stop the presses. They hit the nail on the head. This literally smells like if you walk outside and you kind of smell flowers in the spring and it rains and it's kind of cooled things off, and you can still kind of smell that rain and that little tiny bit of like fresh flowers, not like that artificial floral scent. And then imagine that combined with like a honeydew melon. This is it. That smells so good. So good. That is something that smells so good. I could see myself paying $72 for the full size. That's how good that smells. All right. Then we have from Malin & Goats a revitalizing eye gel, full size, $42. And this is their first time sampling this product. This soothing, hydrating eye gel alleviates tired-looking eyes by cooling on contact and brightening skin with diamond powder. Dab a little underneath eyes with your ring finger. Why is everything saying to use your ring finger? You use less pressure or something? So, in true BirchBox fashion, a teeny tiny little baby Smurf sample. Being an eye cream, I do think this obviously probably would last you. I mean, if you used it every night, you probably get a week or two out of this at least, because you wouldn't need much. So we'll give it a go. And then we got from Marcel, this is the bestseller, Extension Plus Curl Mascara, full size is $15. This mascara's uniquely shaped wand is designed to hug your eye's natural curve so it can reach every lash with its curling and lengthening formula. All right, so there is that guy. And then our final product is no new surprise to me. I love this. I used it today. This is the Beauty Protector Protect and Detangle. Full size is $23.50. This paraben and sulfate free detangler protects against UV rays and heating and heat styling while preventing color from fading. Spray all over towel dried hair and comb through. And that says bestseller, which I believe because I have actually purchased it from BirchBox. 1 month I swapped my box for the full-size version of this because it smells and works that amazing. So I am happy to have a little travel size that I can throw into my overnight bag and be ready to go. So that is everything I received in my January 2020 BirchBox. Again, let me know down below, what do you think of BirchBox? You know, did you end up canceling? Do you think I should stick with it? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.